Hello my friends, welcome to yet another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Kkmiao anyways, however you say that. Kkmiao. Okay, this is a app-based RGB light backlight strip for your television. So I've seen these things around. That's it for inside there, and basically it kind of syncs with your television and has different lighting, puts on the wall behind the TV and kind of like syncs it to what is the color on the television, I guess, something like that. So we have a little thank you for your purchase thing, 1.5 year warranty. That's cool. Alright, so we have instructions, happy lighting user manual. It has a Bluetooth connection. Interesting. Okay. Open the Happy Light app. The Apple Auto to connect the BLE light. Okay. Main user interface. Okay, so it's gonna connect there. And here it is. Looks like. So it's plugged in there, and that this is going under here. This is, how many feet is this? It boasts up to 16 million colors to create various vibes. So this is quite similar to the LEDs strip I have in my mask for different lighting. So it's kind of cool. So basically that's it. It's on the roll here, and there appears to be, I'm trying to look and see how many feet. Oh, 6.5 feet of this stuff on here. It's got a USB thing. I'm actually going to do a setup and demonstration video, of course, with this also. This is merely the unboxing, and that's what we get here. I'm going to go do a video where I plug this into my TV and show you how it works as well. So it does have 3M tape on the back of the LED strip here. And you can obviously just stick that to the back of the television. So, okay, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. I will leave a link to this product from Amazon in the description below, and we'll see you guys next time. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care of each other.